Hi there, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Reflex Exam assessment. So what is a reflex exam? The deep tendon reflex exam is used to evaluate your nervous system's function and detect any abnormalities or underlying medical conditions. During the exam, a healthcare provider uses a small rubber hammer to tap specific areas of your body, such as your knees or elbows, to trigger reflexes. These reflexes are automatic responses controlled by your nervous system and can provide important information about your muscle strength, nerve function, and overall health. By evaluating the speed and strength of your reflexes, healthcare providers can identify potential neurological issues such as spinal cord injuries, nerve damage, or neurological diseases like Parkinson's and multiple sclerosis. This exam can help with the early detection and treatment of any underlying conditions that may affect your overall health and well-being, as well as ordinary checkups. There are a variety of healthcare professionals who can use it, including physical therapists, occupational therapists, as well as general practitioners and doctors. Here's how to use a reflex exam effectively. The first step is to complete all the patient information. You'll then need to assess each of the tendons while recording responses. Step 3 is to provide written documentation to support responses. To view a sample assessment of the reflex exam, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can access and download it for free. You can also access the reflex exam on our platform, filter by community and by assessment, and you can also type in the keywords. You can edit the document however you wish. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos in the future.